Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about that the Ruktan Wiki Headquarters Center is a streaming services center, is an American video streaming website headquartered in the California. The company also has known as that the offices in the Singapore, Tokyo, Japan and Seoul, South Korea. The name of the wiki is a play on the World Video and the wiki drawing on that the later companies use of the volunteer for the content management. The company won and the Crunchies awarded for the best international startup of your company in the January 11 2011 that so this was a company is also to be a premium license who just content in a similar way that the Hulu does in that the US marketing. The site then put that the content on one of its channel and that the content can be your subtitle by the community's volunteer. Wiki was the first platform for the real-time subtitling and the sharing of the videos for the content type. And the community's members can your subtitle their favorite video in their preference language, such as under a Creative Commons license, using that the wiki subtitle technologies, enabling of the individual to collaborate globally in dozens of the languages at once. The subtitling of the software developed for the company who just allow many of the volunteers to translate a video concurrently in the up to the 160 languages. Wiki also further syndicated it show with that the fan generated and the subtitle to partners such as that the Hulu, Netflix, Yahoo, and receive that the fees and revenue from those of your distributor. On of that the approximately of the 200 languages subtitle available on this site. Roughly the 50 of these are vulnerable for English languages are available. Wiki, who just debuted as a new iPhone app, who just called for the wiki on that the go, allow users to watch content on their smartphones. The company also to be your partner with that the Samsung Southeast Asia, that year of the developer on the Android app. The Wiki.com drove the 14 million unique view in the August 2011. Wiki raised the $20 million for the Griong Partners, Anderson's Hutchins, and the BBC Worldwide in the October of that the year. And now that the company who just had that the list of the partners obscuring original content, including that the BBC Worldwide Center. The company has also to be assigned distribution needing. It's a deal for its original content with that the Hulu, Netflix, Yahoo, Amazon, NBC, and the ANE, as well as that the TVB in Hong Kong, SBS in the South Korea, Fuji TV in Japan, and the Media in the Russia. It's also to be providing that the original type of the programmer, like of the Drama World in 2016, and second is the Where Your Eyes Linger in 2020. So hope you guys like this video. Then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching guys.